Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial to show you the two different option bays that you can use and print for the Santa toy shop. This version is the standard version, which is all 3D printed. The actual base is one part, it's 3D printed with color changes and layer height, and then you 3D print the actual lamppost separately and you glue it together. So very simple like this. This part is designed in two different sections, and the reason is to allow to incorporate a street lamp that you can buy from the internet from Lemax, which is exactly the same size than my 3D printed version, but this one allows you to have lights inside, and it comes with a battery pack where you put 3 AA batteries, but also allows you in the future to add it to the main by buying an optional main adapter. So the way you incorporate this light is very simple. So you first of all don't print the other version of the base, but print this version. And as you can see, there's a cutout there. So what you need to do is position the light inside the recess with a cable facing the same angle than the cutout, and then gently push the wire inside this cutout. Not through it, just inside, and squeeze it a little bit. At this point, what you can then do is just get this part that sits on top, and all this part does is hides the wires under here. Okay, and then you can go out of the house this way, or if you have a hole in your tabletop in your Christmas village, you can actually run the wires underneath. So at this point, all you need to do is get your house, okay, which has the wires with the LED at the back, and literally the house just sits on top. So if I now show you the back, both wires come out from there. Of course, if you have a hole under your table, both wires can go underneath instead. So when you turn the light on, your lamppost will light up nicely, as you can see from here. It looks really cool, and you can just imagine with as your Christmas village grows, you'll be able to have street lamps around the village, and I will design always new future model to incorporate these lights, as well as a 3D printable version if you don't want to have the LED in your street lamp. So I hope this helps. It's very easy. When you order this, you can find the details in my PDF document, but they are called Old Lemax, which is Lemax, Lemax Old English Street Lamp. You can buy it from everywhere, garden centers and online. If you can't find this particular model, which is my favorite, there are other versions with just one lamp at the top. Just check that the diameter of the base is not bigger than 20 millimeter. So if it's smaller than 20 millimeter, you can still use the same base and just use just insert it into the same recess and it will still work. It depends where you can find it in stock in your country, but this one is my favorite because it's got more lights in it and it looks really Christmassy. So I hope this was helpful, and I just wish you happy printing and Merry Christmas, everyone.